Savvy gang, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Hate Savvy, and I'm back here with some more free game. As y'all boys can see from the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this and this and this and this in one day of swing trading to add up to a total of this. Just give me my money. I'm gonna show y'all everything as far as the technical analysis. Most of my plays that I profited on, I got in on the second, so all of these were swing trades. So as I seen the market have a really red sell-off day, I positioned myself to get in swings. And this video isn't quite the live breakdown of the trades in the video, but this is one thing that I think is more important than even you seeing that. This is the analysis that went in the night before to lead me to making the money on Friday that I made. So this is Thursday night. The two videos that I'll be showing y'all is Thursday night, where I went over my technical analysis, Friday morning, where I printed on so many different things. So without further ado, let's go and hop straight into these charts.
Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Tap into this, because I ain't gonna do it in the morning. I was just looking at ASML, and on a monthly it has this trend line holding. So we got a monthly trend line holding right here. As you can see, it bounced, broke structure, retested, and went to go test this structure here. Then we fell all the way back down to this same support again. So I'm looking for longs on this, especially if we can break. If we can break 707 or even 710, this can head back to all the way to the 720s. This one is gonna make a crazy recovery though. Just looking at the daily. I'm already in on Uber positions. I'm already in on Uber positions, and I'm not letting go on 4% on the day. I got in about right here today, but I got months out on this. I believe I got till April expiration date on this. Like a 80 strike price. I got a few swings in on AMD as well. 3 to 6 months out. March expiration. See, I posted in the watch list yesterday before the market even opened. I said Tesla is approaching an important zone. I said 395, 385 level is the buy zone. 365 is the floor, and that's literally exactly where we came into today. Off of delivery news, we dropped right into this 380 down here to this 374 level. So I also started a position on this. I got in, so I averaged in. So I bought two positions. I got one here at 380, and then I got one here at like 370, 375, 377. So yeah. AMAT, I don't know, semiconductors looking kind of flat, bro. Like even with AMD, I don't know if it wants to go lower. I feel like it'll bounce soon, but it is a possibility if we lose this 120, we can run to this down here to this 116. If it does, I'm just gonna average in, but hopefully we get the bounce, because I am, you know, we are sitting on this weekly, like crazy weekly support. So HIMS is a good one. HIMS came off a great support level right here. This is breaking retest. See this textbook right here for y'all. Like really basic structure. Break. You got a break. We made a new high, and then we retested it. And we retested that. So obviously the play right here would be the bounce. The bounce right here. This HIMS play for sure. It's good on the fundamentals though. Arc looks good too. All of this looks good for a bounce. You know, we could come further down. It's all gonna depend on a lot of it is gonna depend on the S&P 500 if it breaks this 580 level. We broke down from this 78 level. We fell down here to the 76. We retested the 78 level, and then we continued to fall down. So just a basic downtrend. You can see it forming, and then pretty much every day this week we just came up to retest, came up to grab liquidity, and we just dropped right back down, and we're making lower lows. So we're making lower lows. And, you know, what I'll be looking for next is a rejection off this, and you know, maybe we'll come back down here to the 73. If we break through that though, then that might be the level that, you know, they want to buy, and we can head back up here to this 78, 80 level. But I definitely wanna start a position on this. I'm kind of scared because, bro, I'm not in all the way down here at the 20s. So I really need a pullback. I want more of a, I want to get it in the 68s, 65s. If I can get it there, that'll be a better level to start a position at. Okay, so we came back down into the gap. Okay, and it wasn't a gap, but we came back down into this level. And it's basically on the trend line too, especially with this candle right here. We needed to break above this 87.40, and then we could take it long. So I would take longs above this level here. A good hard strong close above this level, and then we can head back up here to the 90s. And that would be crazy because if we break this same trend line coming down here, it's gonna cause a big move back up here to the 95s and eventually 100. They just holding it. They taking the scenic route to 100. So it's gonna take time, but it's going to 100. Okay, Nvidia. So if Nvidia can break out of this, if Nvidia can break out of this trend line here, we could have a big move. We could come all the way back up to this 150 level eventually, which we will, but we need to see it above this 140. It needs to break and hold above 140. It's been held down for a long time at this 140, 141 level. That's really it for real. That's all I'm looking at right now. We gonna see how the price action looking tomorrow.
We gonna go over this shit quick, cause this shit is crazy. Literally everything I said last night played out like, oh God, like a prophecy. Did not know this shit was gonna happen. Up 236% on Rivian. Rivian came out with news. Apparently they beat the deliveries and production report. So the report shot this thing up all the way from $13 to $16.50. And we broke that key 1550 level, so this could be headed straight to 18. I got Uber and Transmedics side by side for a reason. Both of these are the reversal plays. Let's just go bigger chart so you can see it. It's bouncing off that weekly. Perfect. Caught that weekly green candle. Finally broke through 62, held it. And now you see continuation up to 64 and then eventually 65. Transmedics is actually at 70 and can push up to this 72. The next resistance is this 72, 73 level. So off the swings I got in yesterday, all of them are up. Tesla, Uber, and Transmedics. And I was already in Rivian. Down here into this 390 to 385 level. It ended up coming to 375. 365 was the floor. We came to 370. And right now we sitting at what, 387, 389. So all this needs is a break above 390 and we gonna head right on back to 400. And if we can get above 400, which we probably reject when we get there, but if we can get above 400, it's gonna take us to 410, 414, so on and so forth. All right, man, that is it. Once again, y'all boys bear with the audio. I didn't really plan on making this a video, but why not get y'all the game? You feel me? I recorded it. I recorded my reaction. So if you like content like this, let me know down below in the comment section. Drop a like and a subscribe. The Discord is gonna be up live real soon. You can already join the link below, but it's not quite ready yet. I got my threads, I got my X, I got my Instagram, all of that good stuff in the description below. Tap into the next one. We out.